Good. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put it nice and wide for me. Not too bad. Good. Almost there. And the reason why we didn't go into the insides of the teeth is because it would take like a little while. So everybody think the teeth whitening you see in the mall when they just put the blue light in your mouth, you know, they give you the mouth retainer, they let the solution solidify, and sometimes it does whiten, sometimes it doesn't. Some people, you need the cleaning first, then do a teeth whitening. So when somebody says, oh, my teeth aren't getting white, I'm like, yeah, because you're just putting on whitening on top of stuff that's going to make the whitening slide off the food, the little particles. So when that stuff gets stuck to your enamel, yeah, when we brush our teeth, all the whiteness or the stuff that they put on, it's gonna go off. Because you basically just put waxing solution on top of a dirty car. Or, you know, like some people wash their cars and like, wait a minute, 2-3 days later, like, man, I just washed this damn car. Well, you have environmental changes, you know, you have rainwater. Rain is very acidic. You know, you shouldn't really drink rainwater. I mean, in a pinch in the woods, you're gonna have to do what you gotta do, but it's really not good water. Thank you. Wow, see, this is just stuff that you ate. This is not, see, they're whitening up just because of brushing. It's an advanced brushing, that's all. That's all this is. Alright, we made it. Like, if you don't hurry up. Alright, so I'm gonna get this water flosser. It's gonna be kind of. Let me get the other cup.
That's gonna be wild. Okay.
I know, right? Alright, so. This thing's kind of like strong. I didn't know it was gonna be so strong. But no, this you can put in your, like, you know what I mean? We're just gonna flop, but you're gonna like have it in the gum line so it doesn't go everywhere. But when you need to spit, the cup is gonna be right here.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, ready?
I'll give you a when I need to spit.
Okay. Alright, ready? It's gonna be right in the gum line. Okay. Oh. This thing is too powerful. Okay, we might not use this. It's powerful as shit. Maybe that's why. Okay, you gotta lean over because in the directions it did say you have to lean over the sink. I didn't know it was gonna be so powerful. That thing is it's too way too much. Like because the one in the dentist's office is kind of gentle.
Yeah.
But that
And you
one,
still get water all over the place, kind
That's
of.
true.
Still.
yeah, but they got that little suck, that little.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll do it another time. I didn't know it was gonna be that strong. Do you watch the show Insecure? Sometimes? That show is kind of almost about just money problems to racial problem. What's the third one that they normally always, like you said, insecurities. That's what the name is. The show's Insecurity because it's like even though they're all making it, they all could, and they're all literally single women, no kids, no husbands, except for homegirl, Amanda Seals' character. She was the only one that was like really married. everybody else
And
can
now
have.
child was the other, but
Mhm.
still, everyone else is single.
Right, you can do whatever the fuck you want, but as you can see, that still don't bring you happiness. That's like
No,
people are crazy.
people are crazy.
Mm. They are.
It's like,
Mhm. It's gone down a little bit, but it's still there.
yeah, I know. It's terrible. That's where all my stress goes. Into that shoulder.
You're right, Dominic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can use both
Mhm.
my hands for most things else. I can be slightly ambidextrous, but for the most part, I'll use my right hand unless it's preoccupied.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But yeah,